So people with high magnesium levels have a 50% lower risk of cancer death than those with low levels.
And if over a lifetime, you're part of that 50% of the population in the United States that doesn't get enough magnesium, then you're talking about not being able to repair damage to your DNA over decades. And essentially what that means is, at some point damage happens to your DNA and the right part of a gene that is what's called oncogenic. It's cancer causing. And so eventually it's going to cause cancer if you're not able to repair that damage, right? And so getting enough magnesium is important to make sure you're repairing that damage. And it's not only important for cancer, but also all-cause mortality. So there's also studies showing that people with the highest magnesium levels have a 40% lower all-cause mortality than people with the lowest magnesium levels. And they have a 50% lower cancer-related mortality compared to people with the lowest levels. So again, cancer is still in there. And we're seeing that magnesium intake is very important with respect to cancer. And that is something that, people don't realize when they're not getting enough of magnesium in their diet, they're not eating their leafy greens, or they're not taking a supplement, that they're sort of affecting their long-term risk of cancer.
So people with high magnesium levels have a 50% lower risk of cancer death than those with low levels.